In this video, we are going to learn how to remove blemishes from a photo in Photoshop. Okay, it's just a straightforward tutorial, so stick to it. So first, we are going to duplicate our background layer by pressing Ctrl J on our keyboard. And we add a black and white adjustment layer. Let's turn our rest to about 64 or 62. It's okay. And reduce our yellow. Okay. We are doing this to be able to see the blemishes clearly. Okay. Now, the first we are going to use is the healing brush tool. So you select the healing brush tool. Okay. Go to the brush settings. Make sure size is set to, I don't know how you are going to set it. Hardness 21, spacing 26. Okay. 726. And yeah, you hold Alt on your keyboard. Alt on your keyboard. Sample from an area. Close by area. Okay. Make sure the size of your brush is bigger than. So you have to select our copy layer. The selection has to be on our copy layer. And come. Make sure your brush size is bigger than your blemish. Okay. Hold out. And you brush over your blemish. As you see, it's gone. Okay. Another way we can remove these blemishes by using the part tool. But let's remove this one with the healing brush tool first then. Okay. You can see it's gone. Now you go to the patch tool. Hold shift on your keyboard. That's if you want to make multiple copies. But if you just want to copy like one blemish, you can just select it, drag it, Ctrl D to the select, drag, Ctrl D to select. You can also select multiple blemishes by holding shift on your keyboard. Okay, so you hold shift to make multiple selections. And drag. Ctrl Z. Make a mistake, Ctrl Z, then drag. Okay. Ctrl D to select. This one also. There's another method of using the brush tool. We are going to make a selection. Go to edit. Fill. Check content away. Mode normal, opacity 100. Press OK. Voila. As this is our image, our before and after. Before and after. Now let's remove these ones. So this is how to remove a blemish in Photoshop. So I can delete your black and white adjustment layer. It's no longer needed. So our before and after. And thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And also, you can check out my channel for special and amazing tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.